Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel RMS Training Program. My next video is about column repair using non-shrink free-flowing microconcrete. Methods of repair are the following. Number 1, surface preparation. Number 2, application of primer for rebar rust protection. Number 3, application of epoxy bonding agent. Number 4, application of microconcrete. And number 5, curing of the applied materials. And before that, please don't forget to follow, like, share, comment down below, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then click the notification bell so you're always updated in my next video. Let's watch this.